Running is one of the most popular forms of exercise worldwide, celebrated for its numerous physical and mental health benefits. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a beginner looking to improve your fitness level, choosing between running on a treadmill or hitting the pavement outdoors is a decision that many runners face. Both options have their own unique advantages and drawbacks, and the choice ultimately depends on individual preferences, goals, and circumstances. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of treadmill versus outdoor running to help you make an informed decision. Make sure to stick around until the end. Treadmill running. Treadmills offer a convenient and accessible way to get in a run without having to worry about factors like weather, traffic, or terrain. Here are some of the key benefits of treadmill running. Number 1. Weatherproof. One of the biggest advantages of treadmill running is that it's not dependent on weather conditions. Whether it's raining, snowing, or sweltering hot outside, you can still get your run in without any interruptions. This makes treadmills an ideal option for people who live in areas with extreme weather or unpredictable climates. Number 2. Controlled environment. Treadmills allow you to control various aspects of your run, including speed, incline, and duration, with the touch of a button. This level of control can be particularly beneficial for beginners who are still building their endurance or recovering from injuries. Additionally, treadmills often come equipped with features like heart rate monitors and built-in workout programs, which can help you track your progress and stay motivated. Number 3. Joint protection. Running on a treadmill offers a softer surface compared to concrete or asphalt, which can help reduce the impact on your joints. Many treadmills also feature cushioned decks that absorb shock and provide a more comfortable running experience, making them a popular choice for runners with joint issues or those prone to injuries. Number 4. Safety and security. Treadmills provide a safe and controlled environment for running, free from potential hazards like traffic, uneven terrain, or stray animals. This can be especially appealing for runners who prefer the security of an indoor setting or those who feel unsafe running alone outdoors, particularly during early morning or evening hours. However, despite these advantages, there are some drawbacks to treadmill running that should be considered. Running on a treadmill can sometimes feel monotonous, especially if you're staring at the same scenery or watching the clock tick by in a gym setting. The lack of changing scenery and fresh air can make long runs on a treadmill feel more tedious compared to outdoor runs. Treadmills simulate a flat, even surface, which means you miss out on the benefits of running on varied terrain like hills, trails, or grass. While you can adjust the incline on a treadmill to mimic uphill running, it's not quite the same as tackling natural terrain, which engages different muscles and challenges your balance and coordination. While many gyms and fitness centers have treadmills available for use, owning a treadmill at home can be expensive. Additionally, not everyone has access to a treadmill, particularly those living in small apartments or shared living spaces where space is limited. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Now let us look at outdoor running. Running outdoors offers a sensory-rich experience that engages both the body and mind in ways that treadmill running cannot replicate. Here are some of the advantages of outdoor running. Number 1. Natural terrain. Outdoor running allows you to experience a variety of terrains, from paved roads and sidewalks to trails, grassy fields, and rugged terrain. Running on different surfaces challenges your muscles in unique ways, improves balance and coordination, and can help prevent overuse injuries by reducing repetitive stress on the same muscles and joints. Number 2. Fresh air and scenery. One of the most appealing aspects of outdoor running is the opportunity to enjoy fresh air and immerse yourself in nature. Whether you're running through a scenic park, along a waterfront path, or exploring a new neighborhood, outdoor runs offer ever-changing scenery and natural beauty that can make your workouts more enjoyable and mentally stimulating. Number 3. Vitamin D exposure. Running outdoors exposes you to natural sunlight, which is a primary source of vitamin D. Adequate vitamin D levels are essential for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being, making outdoor running a great way to soak up some sunshine and boost your vitamin D levels. Number 4. Community and social interaction. Outdoor running provides opportunities for social interaction and community engagement. Whether it's joining a local running group, participating in organized races, or simply exchanging friendly greetings with fellow runners you encounter along the way. Running outdoors can foster a sense of camaraderie and connection with others who share your passion for running. Despite its many benefits, outdoor running also has its challenges and limitations. Number 5. Weather dependence. Unlike treadmill running, outdoor running is subject to the whims of Mother Nature. Inclement weather conditions like rain, snow, extreme heat, or strong winds can make outdoor runs uncomfortable or even dangerous, forcing you to alter your workout plans or skip your run altogether. Number 6. Safety concerns. Running outdoors comes with inherent safety risks, including exposure to traffic, uneven terrain, and potential encounters with stray animals or other hazards. It's essential to stay vigilant and take precautions to ensure your safety while running outdoors, such as wearing reflective clothing, running against traffic, and avoiding poorly lit areas, particularly when running alone or in unfamiliar surroundings. Number 7. Environmental factors. Outdoor running exposes you to environmental pollutants, allergens, and other irritants that may exacerbate respiratory issues or allergies, particularly in urban areas with high levels of air pollution. It's essential to pay attention to air quality alerts and take appropriate measures to protect your health while running outdoors, such as choosing routes with less traffic or running during times when pollution levels are lower. In the debate between treadmill running and outdoor running, there is no definitive answer as to which is better. It ultimately comes down to personal preference, goals, and individual circumstances. Both options offer unique advantages and drawbacks, and the best choice is the one that aligns with your needs, preferences, and lifestyle. If you prioritize convenience, safety, and controlled conditions, treadmill running may be the ideal choice for you. On the other hand, if you crave the sensory experience of nature, enjoy exploring different terrains, and thrive on the sense of freedom that comes with running outdoors, then hitting the pavement may be more your speed. Ultimately, whether you choose to run on a treadmill or outdoors, the most important thing is to find a form of exercise that you enjoy and that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. By incorporating running into your regular routine, you can reap the numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits that this timeless activity has to offer, regardless of where you choose to lace up your shoes and hit the road. Don't forget to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time on Discovering Hub Sports, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.